Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make an annoying prank. You can send it to your friend and he'll be pranked and get annoyed. This disclaimer, this is a friendship ruiner. Ruiner, is that a word? Yes, ruiner is a word, okay fine. Yeah, so let's get started. So first let me show you how it's gonna work, how it's gonna be. As you can see, look at this. Even if I'm in some other tab, it still goes on. And it's pretty annoying, like that sound. Even if I close it, minimize it, still it's going on. Now what can I do right now? Nothing. Okay, let's stop this. Yeah. So first we are going to be making this inside of Scratch and then click on create. Let's start with the sprite. So we are going to just delete this costume and then this costume, and now let's get to the coding part. Actually this is something which uses no art. So let's get started. So first we are going to I'm just gonna look in here. Go to x0 y0. It's already there. Now we are going to set pitch. Oh, that's so easy. You have to get, when green flag clicked, forever set pitch to distance to mouse pointer. Yeah, here it is. Distance to mouse pointer, and then we are going to do forever. We are going to play sound. Play the sound. Let's select the sound. What was that sound? Alert. Nope. No, not at all. You know what? Let's use boing. Okay, fine. And then play sound boing. Let's test this out. Yeah, this is even more annoying than it. Oh my god, what even is this? Oh! Okay fine, this was it for the video, and thanks for watching this video. I hope this ruins your friendship. Just assume I didn't say that. Yeah, so that's bye. Just bye. Fine, this was a short video, right? And yeah, bye.